Hernando is the county seat of Desoto County, Mississippi. And as close as 1990, we were just about 2,500 people. We've been very rapidly growing since then. In the last census, we were over 14,000 people. We have really been encouraging this culture of health, and in 2010, Mississippi's Blue Cross Blue Shield Foundation named us the healthiest town in Mississippi. And it was really an honor and a culmination of a lot of things that have been going on since '05.
Towns have always been in the business of protecting health. It just went to a different level, and this is a level where we take down the barriers to access to active living and healthy eating for the community.
As a policymaker, I use the county health rankings, first of all, just to let our people know how we're doing. We can't change the policies unless the people are behind us. And so having the data from county health rankings out there helps us educate the people so that they can support us in our policy change.
It's so important to have solid policy that will last and become the cornerstone of the culture.
I'm a big proponent of health and a healthy community, but I'm not always going to be the mayor here. So I think it's very important that we put policies in place that will still be here when I'm gone. For instance, the no smoking law in Hernando. That's one of the few things that I think a mayor and an elected board can do that will actually, very literally, save lives. Have you seen these sidewalk plans?
I have seen this.
I'm a big proponent of the built environment and its effect on health. In Hernando, since 2001, we've had a standard in place that requires sidewalks in all new development built with developers' money, and that's something we could have never afforded to put in, but policy put those sidewalks in place.
Complete Streets policy is a statement of principle that we will include all modes of transportation. Safe biking is very important to the people in Hernando.
It's usually something we can afford to do. So as we come up with these small amounts of money, we're striping bike lanes just as fast as we can. Our policy in Hernando requires that developers set aside 10% of their land for open space. Lee Summit Park is a park that was born out of our policy. And now we have a 20-acre park with a half-mile of trails, playground equipment, a pond.
We have the bike trails and the walking trails. We're able to get this property from these builders so we can go out and create these neighborhood parks. And those seem to bring a community together. And it helps us to be better people. When you're more healthy, more physically fit, you're a better employee, you're a better father, a better mother, and a better citizen of Hernando.
The City of Hernando is participating in the Blue Cross and Blue Shield Healthy Workplace Program.
Are you going to have these paychecks ready for me to sign by this afternoon?
Yes, sir.
They came back to us and said that they were decreasing our health insurance premiums by 15%. And we were able to literally take that savings and give a 2% across the board pay raise to all of our employees.
Get some reps in to keep your heart rate up.
Another piece of our wellness program for the employees is we found a gym that would give us some equipment. So we're going to be setting that up in an empty warehouse. It's not the best facility, but it's what we have. Very literally, our Healthy Workplace initiative saved our taxpayers $130,000 last year.
You want to get about 10 more reps of these?
Okay.
When our entire budget is just $13 million, $130,000 is a big number.
Nice, nice, nice. I like it. I like it. Here we go. All the way through, Cody, all the way through.
Joint use agreements are very important. It's a great way to combine resources and use schools for after-school activities.
Good job.
We don't have our own gym, but there are 3 gyms in this town, and they're all owned by the school system. So that's how we run our basketball program.
Look at that form.
When you have the numbers that they have to show up for basketball programs and soccer programs, there was obviously a lot of pent-up need in the community.
Get it, get it, get it, get it, get it, Luke, get it!
The Hernando Bicycle Club is one of our best partners in health attainment in Hernando.
You can see them out there every Saturday morning. When you see 40 cyclists riding past your house, you can't help but want to get out and do something.
They want beginners to start to bike, so they work very closely with folks that are just beginning to bike.
They're creating a healthy environment for all of us. They're encouraging the rest of us to come out and do the right thing.
The Hernando Farmers Market is now open. Bountiful blessings to all.
The farmers market's probably one of the best things we've ever done because it is multi-dimensional.
Our farmers market serves a variety of purposes. It's a great way to bring community together. The other thing is, though, it gives you access to healthy food, and not just for a certain segment of your community. We made certain that this farmers market is within walking distance of one of our poorest neighborhoods.
We do have some of our vendors who participate in the Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program with EBT cards, and also the Senior Farmers Market Nutrition Program, which gives vouchers to seniors.
They taste like summer.
It's just been growing exponentially, and we now have over 120 vendors signed up, and we have the largest farmers market in the state, and we have the 7th favorite large market in the United States. I think my main motivation is the thing that motivates almost everyone when they hear that this generation of children may be the first generation not to live as long as their parents. There's no way you can disregard that information. So even though we're in the healthiest county in Mississippi and we were named the healthiest town, we look around and see all the things that we still need to do. So we're going to continue to move forward. We're not stopping.